Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Kai Jackson.
I'm Mary Bubala. We will get a check of your forecast in just a few minutes, but first, we are learning more about a juvenile arrested after stabbing inside the Towson Town Center. The suspect, now facing charges of attempted murder, has an extensive history with law enforcement, including the Department of Juvenile Services.
The juvenile is being charged as an adult at a time when a new state commission is proposing Maryland do away with automatically charging youth as adults for certain crimes. Prosecutors from across the state are weighing in. We have team coverage tonight. Rebecca Pryor takes us through the responses from state's attorneys across Maryland.
But first, Alexa Ashwell is here with questions we're asking DJS after learning the suspect has been in the system. Alexa.
Okay, Mary, repeat juvenile offenders has been a long-standing issue. This case out of Baltimore County, some say yet another example of the system failing not only juveniles, but the public. Here inside Baltimore County District Court, the state revealing the 15-year-old charged in the violent assault involving a screwdriver inside Towson Town Center has been in the DJS system.
We're going to pay for this down the road.
Law enforcement expert Jason Johnson echoing the frustrations and warnings voiced by others when it comes to repeat juvenile offenders.
We're going to have a robbery and a stabbing.
In this case, investigators say the 15-year-old struck another juvenile in the top of the head with a screwdriver and stole his watch inside Towson Town Center. During his bond hearing, the state revealed the juvenile was on probation and under DJS supervision for a burglary just last year. And other crimes he was accused of committing in 2024 included another burglary, auto theft, and a robbery. Months later, the juvenile now facing several felony charges, including attempted second-degree murder.
It just demonstrates a pattern of failing to obey the law and to allow themselves to be steered back into a productive life. And it also shows that these types of offenses tend to escalate. So all of those 2024 offenses that this young person was actually caught for were property crimes. And now it moved on to a very serious violent crime that certainly could have caused death. And so it shows how these things escalate, that if you don't effectively deal with it when it's at the property crime stage, it will escalate. And I think this case demonstrates that.
DJS will not comment on specific cases due to privacy laws. Still, we asked the agency about the handling of the juvenile and overall, how is DJS working to better ensure juveniles do not reoffend? Johnson pointing out recent new leadership within DJS.
I think there's some patience is running out.
But adding more must be done.
I don't know if maybe there's, could be a task force established by the legislature to allow certain elected officials to see inside the box and maybe promote changes to the law that would increase accountability for young people.
Now, I'm still waiting to hear back from DJS. Meanwhile, the 15-year-old in this case was denied bond. The judge also denying the defense's request to have him held in an all-juvenile secured facility, citing concerns for the safety of other juveniles. Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.